mid clamp by jwsolarusa live in Minnesota. Guys, this is what I got. So I ordered this on eBay. There's a guy who was selling that. These are mid clamps. So I've seen a lot of people mounting their solar panels using, you know, washers right in the middle. So this gives you a good proper connection. Good and proper connection. So you see there's a groove right here. Is the one that contacts with the frame. So this gives you the bonding for the ground system. It touches the metal. The panel goes on this groove right here. It sits. I'll make a video. It sits right like this in the middle of the panel. The bolt goes right here. So this guy right here, see this guy? So this one contact with the rail. It touches the rail, so you get the grounding. So when you tied up these panels all together, this guy gives you the leverage. I think I have one of them that is fall off. So you can see this guy gives you the opportunity or things for you to get in contact with the rails to get proper bonding or grounding. Here are the bolts and washers, and these are, let me see what it is. It's really hard to read. I think it's ABC something, but I think this is approximately 2.5 inch. So here is the bolt from the tip and all the way here. So 2.5 inch long with a lock washer. So it's 180 of this, and right here. I know you guys gonna ask me for the link. So this is a professional mid clamp for mounting solar panels on a rail or unistrut, super strut, or whatever you want to mount, how you want to mount your panels. But this is the best way to go, and I've been doing a lot of stuff. With solar. I have a huge project. Some of you guys I talk to on the phone knows exactly what I'm up to, and you're gonna say why you need a lot of mid clamps like this. But I got all the bolts that comes with it. Then I have the mid clamps for mounting solar panels on a rail, ground mount, roof mount, grid tied, off grid, on grid, so I can able to utilize all this stuff. So I just decided to show you guys, and you guys might probably want to ask me where I got it from. And unfortunately, they have them in sets of 36, I suppose. So 36 times 5 sets, that's what I bought. I think it's 36 times 5. I think it gives you 180. That's why I counted them. The only thing that is missing, one bolt is missing here. So the guy has like 6 sets of those. I bought 5. So, I would have bought all of them. But I decided to just buy 5. I think it's plenty for my application, but it's always nice to save them. And you can able to do any new project or application you want to utilize it for, you're good to go. So I just decided to show you guys, and they're all done. I'm sorry, I would have posted the add the link on the description below. Well, it's not gonna be possible anymore. He doesn't have these anymore, and they came from California, one of the somewhere. But these are brand new ones. You can tell it's just because they've been rubbing each other. These are really awesome. It's a aluminum, very light. Yeah, so let's demonstrate here. You can see the bolts can go on this. It might be a number 12. This guy might probably be number 12. Yeah, 11 or 12 head. So this is what it is. It goes like this. It holds a panel right there with these grooves. Just want to show you. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa live from Minnesota. Bye for now. Also receive a chunk of these MC4 connectors. You can see I have a lot of them here. I have 100 of MC4 connectors, male and female. So guys, I'm ready for business here. Let's check them out. Here are the MC4 connectors. You see male and female. So each pack is 10 of them. So I have 5, 10. I have 10 bags here. So 10 in each bag. MC4 connectors. So we have a lot of install here we're gonna be doing, and just want to show you guys all the other stuff that's already here. A whole bunch of stuff. Telling you, cables and all the good stuff. Breakers, some of them are still on the way coming. As they come in, I'm gonna be showing you all the other stuff I've just received, and I've just shipped. Midnight breakers are coming, and I have midnight baby box coming. All the good stuff. Bunch of other breakers I had with the DC breakers. Stay tuned. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.